emergency situation. No need. Hey, just chill out. It's not that big of an emergency. Hey,
Lady,
would you?
How do you like that?
Yeah. Oh, lady, what is wrong with you? Get a grip on yourselves, people.
You're a bad kitty.
Dagnabbit! I missed the express. Looks like I'm gonna have to take the Stanford local.
I got him!
He's got him!
He's got him! He's got him! He's got him!
I got something for you!
I'm okay.
What are you guys doing here?
Oh, I am so glad we found you.
Worried about you.
Don't worry, I'm fine. Look at me, I'm fine.
You're fine? Oh, he's fine. Oh, great. Hey, you hear that? Morty's fine. Oh, that's good to know. Because I was just wondering, how could you do this to us, Marty? I thought we were your friends.
What's a big deal? I was coming back in the morning!
Don't you ever do this again. Do you hear me?
Do you hear him?
Guys, we're running out of time.
Oh, no, man, you broke their clock.
Do this again. Don't you ever do this again.
Come here.
You've been ratted out, boys. Cute and cuddly, boys. Cute and cuddly.
If you have any poo, fling it now.
It's the man.
Good evening, officers.
No, you don't talk now, okay? You're not so good with the putting the words together and they're coming out good thing. You keep it shh.
Hey, how you doing? Yeah, you know what? Everything's cool. We just had a little situation here. A little internal situation. Actually, my friend just went a little crazy. Happens to everybody. The city gets to us all. Just went a little cuckoo in the head.
Hey, don't be calling me cuckoo in the head.
Just shush. I will handle this.
I got him!
Would you give a guy a break? Oh, we're just gonna take my little friend here home and forget this ever happened. All right? No harm, no foul, right? Oh, no. Hey, it's cool. It's me, Alex, lion, from the zoo. What's the matter with them? Ow! Ow! Wow. Whew. I feel really weird. Hey. Oh. I love you guys.
I love you so much.
You can take a sunrise